Yo, I am not MAGA, but I'm MYFA. Yo, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I'm making this video during the election 2024, right? And a lot of what Donald Trump supporters, they go by MAGA, right? Make America Great Again. And if you part of MAGA and you believe in MAGA, that's great. You should want the damn country to be great again. Now, I don't know if Donald Trump the person to do that shit, right? But hey, to each his own. I am not particularly a MAGA person, but I realize what I am a part of, what I am going to be an advocate for is MYFA, right? And if you're wondering what MYFA is, hell, it's probably in the title. It's Make YouTube Fun Again. All right, that's what I'm all about. You know what I mean? Straight up, because I've done several videos on YouTube. I watch a lot of like new YouTube videos where they're like, you know, I'm new to YouTube and this shit's so hard and I'm stressed out. Then there was videos of like OG YouTubers from, you know, been around for years, and they're like, I'm quitting this shit, man. Shit's trash, man. I ain't got it no more. Right? And as somebody who's been on YouTube for a while and continue to do this shit, you know, it hit me. You know, I fell into the trap of like getting stressed out and buying courses and, you know, watching tons of YouTube videos about the perfect thumbnail, the perfect title. Shit, I still get comments on some of my videos. Hey man, great video, but you know, I'll just let you know, I create thumbnails. You know, if you're looking for somebody to hire. No, I don't. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? If you don't like my low budgety ass thumbnails, then don't watch the shit. It is what it is, right? But my point is, it's like I realized, even I found myself falling into this category, and I see so many new and old YouTubers falling into this, stressing over YouTube, right? Getting depressed over YouTube, relationships getting torn apart over YouTube. And I was thinking like, man, when YouTube first started, what, 20 years ago? How long has it been around? I don't know. It's been around a while. But, you know, it was fun. People who was doing YouTube were literally having fun. They was creating just all kinds of videos about anything, whatever they wanted, sharing their thoughts, you know, putting up vacations and their hobbies and sharing opinions, all that shit. It was fun. But as the years went on and more people got on it, and then the monetization side of things come, and then the business side of things, and the people want to make a living off of it, it got more and more stressful, and it got more and more serious, right? And yes, like, yeah, I try to make money from YouTube. I promote the hell out of products and services, right? Like, of course. But at the same time, I gotta have fun with this shit, you know? And even a couple weeks ago, I kind of felt myself falling back into the trap of like, damn, the videos I thought should be popping, they're like, the views ain't where they need to be. So I almost fell back to that shit of like, yo, let me really analyze my title. Let me really analyze my thumbnails more. Then I snapped back out of that and was like, man, come on, man. Have fun with this shit. Because YouTube, not that I know of, there is no magic course that if you bought it, you're automatically going to start making $10,000 a month from YouTube ads and sell all the products you want. You watching this, you know that shit ain't true. Like, you know, YouTube is like, it's not luck, but I think it's an experimental game. Everybody can be successful, I feel, on YouTube, but you have to find your way of doing it. You know what I'm saying? So watching somebody else do something that's working for them might not necessarily work for you. You got to find out your flow, your rhythm. And I feel like while doing that, it should be fun to you. Like the last month, I pretty much literally do put up the content I want to put up. Yes, my channel is primarily about, you know, being an entrepreneur, making money online, and that's cool. But, you know, I do other shit. You know, like I'm a movie junkie. I love doing movie reviews, whatever I want, right? So that's pretty much what I'm doing. And by me doing this, I've drastically decreased my YouTube stress. So obviously, you know, I got a list of the videos that I'm going to create. I think about the title for about 3 to 5 minutes, right? I think about the thumbnail 5 minutes, and I just put this shit up and keep it moving. And that's what you got to do. In my opinion, you need to make YouTube fun again. Enjoy what you're doing, and don't go into YouTube like, yo, I'm trying to make, you know, 6 figures, you know, next week as a YouTuber, right? Because the truth is, if you come into YouTube and you just think about monetization, like, nah, you got to do more. You need to like be monetized. Are you an affiliate of something? Do you sell your own products? Are you going to have your own t-shirt line? Are you going to try to get brand deals? That's how the big YouTubers are making the majority of their money, by having multiple streams of income. So ending this video, no, I'm not MAGA, but your boy is definitely MYFA.